our last class, we delved into principles of art and design, laying the foundation for creative and expressive artistic principles. In today's class, we will discuss the topic theater design. Theater design involves crafting a unique stage environment for live dramatic performances. It primarily addresses the visual aspects of productions, shaping spaces for live plays, musicals, and dances. Aspects of theater design. Theater design encompasses several integral components, including 1. Properties or props. 2. Costume. 3. Makeup. 4. Lighting. 5. Sound or audio effects. 6. Set or stage. Elements of design. 1. Set design. Set design is a foundational element that guides the overall design for a play. Collaborating closely with directors, set designers plan and create the stage environment, potentially involving building structures, furnishing, and rigging. 2. Lighting. Lighting design is pivotal for establishing the mood, atmosphere, and focal points in theatrical performances. Lighting designers work alongside set and costume designers to create a cohesive visual experience, employing various lighting techniques to enhance storytelling. 3. Costume design. Costume design influences the audience's perception of characters based on their attire. Costume designers collaborate with directors and closely follow the script to ensure that costumes align with the period, character traits, and the production's overall vision. Theater design combines these elements to craft a unified and visually captivating performance, breathing life into scripts and immersing audiences in the world of the play. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.